Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany, and today we're going to plan out the week of February 10th through the 16th. I want to show you last week's spread. So this kit is from Sara Marie Stickers. It's from her advent calendar, or her advent package. I'm not sure what she called it, but super cute. I got a new phone. I ended up switching all my stuff over, got my nails done, grocery shopped. I had lunch with my mom. I had a meeting to set up my Anytime Fitness membership. I had dance class. We did get the paperwork for the passports. I did clean up my car. I sent my daughter's field trip money. I had a meeting to set up like a workout plan at Anytime Fitness. And then me and my husband went out for lunch. I got my first workout in at Anytime Fitness. I got paid. We went to the Dance Fitness with Jessica tour in Indianapolis with a couple of my friends. My daughter had gymnastics. It's Saturday today. I just got done with dance class. My daughter did have open gym, but they canceled it for weather. And then we have a birthday party today, and then tomorrow is just dance, and then I have to clean my house. So, let's see. We are going to start with this week. I do have another kit from Sara Marie Stickers. This is 222. So, it's this Valentine's kit. Here's the full boxes. That's the sampler. I did order this page. I did use some for my setup, and then I did use the monthly, so I have a couple labels on here if I need them. But we are just going to set this up and get ready for next week. Feeling good. I had a blast at the Dance Fitness with Jessica last night. It's my third year going, so I just love it. I like that I can attend a class because I teach my own classes, so it's nice to just be able to enjoy it and not have to think about what's coming up next. And I mean, I didn't know any of her songs because I don't pay for her live stream thing, but it was still a fun time. And then she had a guest there, and he was getting it. He was a very good dancer. I wish my body could move like that, but something different, something to try out. And then we ended up going to dinner afterwards at a new place, so that was nice. Okay, I am going to do this. Oh, I didn't pull out any date headers. Crap. It's alright. We'll just go from here, and maybe I will find some. That's a little crooked. So this next week, not much is going on, aside from dance and gymnastics. My daughter's Valentine's party is this week. I thought it was last week, so I had to rush to get those Valentines, and then didn't even happen. So she's got those ready. She signed them all. That was like her favorite part. Where did I put my, oh, duh. This thing, I lose it all the time because it's clear. So we're going to do that. And then I wonder if I have, that's close enough. I've got a whole bunch of date headers here, leftovers, but I think that'll probably be okay. Not the same exact color, but it'll work. So 10, 11, but yeah, I'm going to start going when I have time, which I don't have a lot of time, but I'm going to try to go to Anytime Fitness at least 3 times a week. It's kind of expensive. I always had a Y membership because I used to work at the Y, and so after 5 years you get it for free, so I just kind of worked out there. So I've never had a Y membership, but I get money through work. If we track our steps, we get so much money, like a quarter. So that actually ended up paying for all of it. So that was nice. Didn't have to come out. I mean, it came out of my pocket, but not really. I also, the end of last year, I bought my watch with it because it's supposed to go towards like fitness and all that stuff. So at least it got paid for. So let's get these dates on there. These date headers are from Willow Way Stickers. I'm pretty sure she still is open. Don't know why I didn't use them, but they're here, so I'm going to use them. And then Sunday. Okay. All right. Let's start. I'm going to put my home health client in first. I don't see him on Saturday because it's my weekend to work. But I'm just going to use these little dots. See if I can get them off. Oop, that one's a little high. And that there. There. And there. And do this line. 1, 2, 3. Okay. These in. Okay. Get that out of the way. All right, let's do the sidebar real quick. I'll use this blue one. And then this down. And that's going to be my to-dos this week. Not doing much that I know of, but still nice to have. And then we'll put my step tracker down at the bottom. And this, I need to get my new book because I finished the book that I was reading. Oh, we don't want to do red. Let's do the blue here. And then the pink. There, and then she has a reading script. So I'll put that there. All right, so Monday, let's put the school in first. We had an ice storm last week, which was really crazy. I was in the shower and I heard this big noise and I came out and I was like, was there a car crash outside? And he's like, my husband's like, no, that was thunder. So it started off raining and then it ended up like icing over. It was awful. It was very weird for February. So I'm going to put the school in first. And then we will put, what do I want to do for work? We have 4 of these and 2 left of that. I should have bought the other, I'll go ahead and use these little pattern ones for work. So my husband is going to work on Monday. And then Tuesday I'll work. And Wednesday I'll work. Like so. And then Monday we have to get the trash out. By we, I mean my son. So we'll put that there. And then I will probably go work out after I drop the kids off. I do have this little workout script. It has a little checkbox. So I thought that was kind of fun. Kind of put down what part of the body I worked out. She did like a 4-day split with me, so we'll see how it works. And then I have dance on Monday from 5 to 6:15. And then I'll go to work. Okay. Tuesday, I will work. I will probably go work out in the morning before that, which is crazy that I'll have to get up at like 4, but I just don't have time afterwards. Unless my son wants to go, I did get him a membership. It was like $15 extra. So I just added him to that. So that's it for Monday. Tuesday's the same. Like I said, I might work out, but not 100% sure. Thursday, my husband will work these 2 days. These scripts are from Sara Marie Stickers. You can do like custom stickers. The other work ones are from Simply Smith Stickers on Etsy. Okay, Thursday. I don't think there's anything. I will do another workout after I drop them off. So we'll put that in. And then Friday is her actual Valentine's Day party. I don't know why I thought it was last week, but at least we have her Valentine's. So I am going to use her the little class party thing there. And then I will probably work out again. Actually, let me move. Well, I'll put it up top again. Seems to be good. There. And then she has gymnastics, which she got the offer. She's in pre-team right now. And she got asked to move up to team, which means she'll be able to go to competitions and stuff. And I asked her when I got home from dance last night, and she said, "Mom, I'm just nervous." I was like, it's okay to be nervous, but she thinks you're good enough to go, then you might as well try it. Okay, Saturday I have dance. Oops, I'll need to get another, oh, why did I do that? I was going to say I'll have to get another script, but I put dance down there instead of gymnastics. There we go, and then I'll put dance over here. I'm really liking the 9 o'clock. I had 8 o'clock classes, and that was rough. Real rough. So 9 o'clock's a little bit better. And then I will go to work at 2. Right here. And I'll work till 10. That's why I don't go to my home health guy. And then Sunday, I will work my 6 to 6. Oh goodness, I forgot to put school in. Let's move that down a hair. And her stickers are removable, thank goodness. And then I used the blue. Put these in real quick. There. And then add the school script. My kids are ready for spring break, which this year they usually get 2 weeks, and now they're getting like a week and a day, which is crazy. And then put this workout back in. And her party. So I got to remember to actually send the Valentines. And then Sunday I work, and that's really it. Let me move this over so I can put 6A to 6P, 2P to 10P, 6A to 6P. That'll work. And then I think that's really it. Like I said, I'll do my workouts. I'll go ahead and put them in. Do I have? I don't think I have any more of those workout ones. We'll use these pattern boxes. That's fine. Okay, so I will probably, like I said, work out either here or here. I'll just put it down here because I don't know what I'm going to do. It depends. If my son wants to go, I will go in the evening. So I'll have to just ask him before. And if not, then I'll just go by myself at 4 a.m. that there. And I want to use these boxes because I want to keep track of what I'm actually doing. Okay, I have a Valentine's script. So let's use this here. Like so. And then I have payday on Friday. That there. I'll get paid by both my jobs Friday. And then groceries I will have to get probably on Monday in the morning time. Probably don't need that big of a box. It doesn't take me that long because I know exactly what I'm gonna get every single time. And then I will probably clean Thursday. Clean. I have to do some laundry today. I might work out this day too. Go before class, even if it's just like a 20-minute. Ooh, those are the same patterns. I don't like putting the same patterns next to each other. But yeah, even if it's just like a 20-minute something, I'm gonna go because, like I said, I paid for it. So we're definitely gonna do it. Okay, let's do the full boxes. So let's do this red one. Is that gonna fit? Oh yeah. And then I really like these roses. Am I in frame? Okay, I'm making sure. So I'll do that up here. And then I'll do the stripes down a little bit. Now her boxes don't fit the columns exactly, but if you kind of center it, no big deal. Let's do this one here. And then I'm not going to be able to fit one there, I don't think. I will be able to fit one down here. And then we'll do this heart one. Do that in the morning. I wonder if I can cut this just to fill this space up. Unless I do something and then I'll have to take it up and put a box down. There we go. Just to fill the space. There is a shop, I don't know, I think Planner Kate, she has little boxes like that. So they're not the long ones, now they're just little, so that's kind of cool. I saw that. All right, let's add a few dots to our to-do list. Like I said, I don't have much that I really need to do. Actually, I do need to do. I need to call the cruise line and see about our passports, see if I have to get a book or a card. I don't know anything about passports. I've never been anywhere like that, so I need to see what we need to do. I did get the paperwork for it, and it's like a whole pamphlet to fill out, but... So, if you have ever cruised to Bahamas and you have any suggestions for me, let me know about that. But again, this kit is from Sara Marie Stickers. Looks pretty good, looks pretty full, and I will see you guys in my next video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!